The new DIY dinosaur egg. It's like the new DIY dinosaur. There's instructions here next to the egg. This in there, I don't know what dinosaur. I'm really happy to see what the dinosaur is. So let's open the egg. Woo! So we got these. This goes what you must build. Some sweets. So there's a Lego pack. Very rare to other dinosaur eggs that I had. Very rare. The sweets also rare. Okay. Guys, this is my dinosaur. This one is a velociraptor. Today I'm gonna build it. So these are the body parts, the nails for the dinos, which goes in these circles, the screwdriver, these are the legs, these are the hands, the tail, the mouth, and the mouth. So we're gonna build it. First I'm gonna take one screw and I'm gonna put it. So guys, it's getting a little bit confusing. So sorry.
Say thank you when I do that.
So guys, this is the dinosaur from the egg that I built before. This is how it came out when I built it. So you can open its mouth. Move its legs. Stand like this. Stand like that. Also moves its hand. And its tail. And its tail. Very cool. This is called a velociraptor. If y'all don't know what's a velociraptor, Google the velociraptor name. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our video, our YouTube channel, and click that like button.